Welcome, today in front of me Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 Plus, and I'll show you the test with normal face unlock and the faster face recognition. So for the first one will be the normal face unlock. I'll show you that. So now, as can you see, we got disabled the faster recognition feature. So let's start with the normal face unlock. I'll just use my stopwatch. I'll make a 5 of tries of each of the unlock methods, and we'll see then the difference between the unlock time. So let's start. I'll just I think that will be better if I'll use my device here, my stopwatch on this side of. So let's do that. I'll check if I'm sitting in a good position. Yeah, so let's go. 3, 2, okay. Once again. So 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I think that's can be 7.5 seconds. So our normal face unlock just take 7.5 seconds, so don't forget about that. And now we'll enable the faster recognition feature here, and now we'll try how many time it takes. So let's start. Okay, check. So reset, and we'll use again our stopwatch. So 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I think that was 6.5 seconds. So as can you see, the faster recognition feature really works on our Samsung Galaxy Tab. So if you wanna just use the face unlock method, you can enable the faster recognition to unlock your device more fastly. So that's it, that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.